Welcome back, guys. So what we're fixing to do is a tutorial of This Is the Day That the Lord Has Made. So let's get started. And we're in the key of E flat. I like to add this seventh here. So it's all going to stay on E flat for the whole first half, that one chord. Oh, this is the day that the Lord had made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Rejoice in the Lord. Rejoice in the Lord. So the whole song is that. That's all it is. It's E flat. Does that E flat for a while, then it goes up. Walks up to that E flat over G, that 1 over 3, to the 4, the A flat chord. Does that all again. Then goes up to the 5, that B flat. Celebrate in the presence of the Lord. He is worthy to be praised. Celebrate in the presence of the Lord. He is worthy to be praised. Rejoice in the Lord. And that's just an A flat over B flat, that 4 over 5. Rejoice. Now I'm going to the 4 over 5 of the new key, or the B flat over 7, which takes me to the F. Oh, this is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. This is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Rejoice in the Lord. That's all it's doing there. It's the same one chord. Then when you get to that last part of the last phrase, the 1 over 3, F over A, 4. I'm doing a B flat, 7. 4, 5. And then I like to do this little run. And that's just a little blues run. And I got a video to kind of show that blues run for you if you want to see little details on that. But I love to play this in E flat because I can just go up and down the black keys, but it can be done in F, it can be done in any key. Whatever key, just use that pattern 1. You're vamping on the 1, and then you go from the 1 to the 1 over 3 to the 4. Repeat all that again, and then go to that 5 to start all over again. Very simple chorus. It's a great worship and praise song to use in church. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And as always, God bless.